To get started, to convert your MP3, WAV and audio files into YouTube videos instantly, you need to go to soundsfit.com website. Once you reach the site, you need to click the button which is continue with Google button. Click that continue with Google button. The system will ask you to sign into your account and ask you to give some permissions. Don't worry, if you want you can disconnect your Google account and delete SongsWith account later from SongsWith settings and unlink from Google account settings. So I'm going to select my account and directly continue. Once you have reached your dashboard, the system will ask you to upload your files or upload your files by drag and drop or browse from your computer. If you want to test the system, you can try with demo track. So I'm going to show you from demo track for testing purposes. So I'm going to select the demo track. After that, you can specify a video title, category, description, video size from peers, and specify specific settings such as Creative Commons, embeddable or not, notify subscribers about this upload, and etc. If you're confident with your settings, click the render video button and starting the upload process. Then it will take 10 or 15 seconds process and upload your video to YouTube by the system. Once you see the completed, you can view the video on YouTube, or if you would like, you can upload a new one. So I'm going to view from YouTube.